Hello and welcome back to my channel. So much fun creating this, so if you want to see how to make it, then Halloween makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and follow me on all the over social media that I have. Okay, now you can keep watching. I'm going to apply first my favorite primer by Tatcha. It's like the silk canvas. I also shaved my face today, so it's so soft and smooth. I'm gonna apply this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base and the shea butter in here. It's so good, so I will mainly focus it on my under eye. As for foundation, I'm gonna use the Dior Backstage foundation. It's in the shade 35N. Now I'm gonna use NARS concealer in the shade medium 1 custard, and just right here. I'm gonna use my beauty sponge to blend it. So blend it all together, it looks flawless, so pretty on the skin. I'm gonna use this airspun powder, face powder, to set everything. I'm gonna use the powder to set my under eye and everything else. So I'm gonna set with this powder, like actually all over my face. So it will look like a doll face, no shine at all, full coverage, you can't see my skin. I'm gonna also wipe whatever chapstick I have on my lips. Why I love Halloween costume and makeup is you can just not be precise with your makeup. The whole thing about Halloween makeup, you can just do whatever you want. You actually don't have to be precise and do exactly how it should be. There's like no book for it. You can go wrong and it's just gonna be part of your costume because it just have to be not blended, not like correct. You know, it's like you put a lot of black or white and on yourself. If you make mistakes, it's fine because it's just gonna be like part of the look. So I'm putting a lot of powder on my face. So it doesn't really matter what color of foundation is. Just anything that is covering good. And then lots of this powder that it's very powdery, white powdery. So that's why I like this airspun face powder. It's just so good for Halloween and it's so inexpensive. Now I'm gonna go with this Kevyn Aucoin. This is gonna be really good for contouring. We're going for a vampire, so it's contour, and I'm gonna contour the nose first. And blend it. Oh my god, it looks like that's not my nose. Like it's so snatched. And I'm gonna blend it in a little bit, but I just want it to be very, very snatched for a little while. So I'm gonna do the same contour shade from Kevyn Aucoin. The same powder I'm gonna go on over the crease right here. Just connected from the nose. I forgot to tell you what brush I'm using. Sigma Blending E25 brush. It's really good for blending, and applying the contour. And then I'm gonna go wherever I want to like contour more, so usually right here. And I'm gonna go all the way down. Like I really don't care. Then I wanna get a defined brush, a big brush for the face to contour here. I'm gonna take a good amount of the powder and I'm gonna do like this one line here. Another thing you can do, you can just put like anything under it to like get the straight line for like your hollows if you don't really know like how to do them really straight, and then you just contour that place. It should look like that, and it's so precise, so we want to go for this strong contour. This looks so sharp. I love it. I love how it looks so far. And then I want to do some more white here. I don't want any highlight here. I want to use the same powder to brighten up this area. I'm just gonna clean this brush, same brush I'm gonna use. It's a Sigma for a highlight brush, so I'm gonna do this again. This is where I applied the contour, and now I'm gonna leave this space, and on top I'm just gonna put this right here, grab a little bit of the powder and use it right there, and then blend it a little. Then I'm gonna clean with this brush the contour here, make it more blendable. Yeah, it looks so good. I'm gonna do my brows. Brush them. I don't want them to be bushy brows. The brows should be very defined, but I'm going to brush them before. And now I'm just gonna fill them in with my brow pencil, any brow pencil that you like. I'm just gonna use the NYX brow pencil and just fill them in. Okay, I'm gonna take this contour palette by Kat Von D. I love this for contouring. And I'm gonna take, I think either this light shade or that one to have more highlight on my cheekbone without highlight with like glitter. Actually, I'm gonna take this kind of brush. It's a large concealer brush, and I'm just gonna dip in those powders and lightly make it look brighter here. Oh yeah, that works. It's really nice. And a little bit on my brow bone, just to clean it up a little. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, let's do this side too. That cleans so nice the area. Okay, wow, look how it cleans pretty well. So whatever I've left, I'm just gonna use it under here. I think I need to bring the contour a little bit more farther in, so just with the same brush, I'm gonna go a little all the way to the hollows, the cheeks. Just by doing that, it just like gives me some, like I'm dead, like a zombie. I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty palette I don't know what kind of palette it is, but it's just so long ago. It doesn't have the mirror. As you see, it was like the first time she had it launched with no mirror. So I'm going to take the black shade right here with this Sigma Concealer E75 and dip in the black, just straight to the black one right now. That like not clean, I want it to be messy. The same on this side. And because I added the contour, it already looks like I blended some, you know. So like that, it's like already a zombie. I'm gonna go with like a vampire like you saw the Vampire Diaries, when their eyes are like turning, and then there is red like things like veins right here. So that's what I want to go for. So I needed this Marc Jacob gel liner in Fine Wine. This red will just make it so easy to make these veins that I'm talking about. And I mean, I don't have to be precise, but so with the same gel liner in my waterline, and this red looks scary, and that's great. Trying to wing it a little like further there, like so. Oh, that looks good. That looks like pretty. And on my upper waterline, don't forget that too. Now I want to take this brush by Morphy and Jaclyn and dip in the red right here. I'm gonna go like all over the lid with that. It's not really pigmented, like, I don't know. Maybe I have to go with my finger. Yeah, I dipped in my finger, and that looks more like it. Taking this brush, it's a flat definer brush, and I'm gonna dip in the red and trying to like do it with this, the vein. Let's see. Now I'm gonna dip with this concealer brush with the black, and then go like to find that red a little like that. Well, it looks messy. It looks like I'm a very bad vampire. Let's go to my lips. I'm gonna use the NARS lipstick. I love their packaging, and this one in the shade Jungle Red. Just, I think this is a good color. So I feel like it's a good red, but it's not what I was going for. The Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphy, and there is this color right here in the middle, and that's what I want. Now I'm gonna apply it on top. Yep, this is what I want. So I do want like to have like right here, like the blood like coming all the way here. I didn't even do my lashes yet, so I'm gonna do the lashes in a second. But what I'm saying is I want to get the same gel liner, and I'm just gonna draw like the let's do the mascara now. So you see what I'm saying when I say anything will look good with a costume, because even if it looks messy, it will just be good with like everything else. Like more scary, you know? So yeah, that's complete this vampire look. I just need to put this, where is it? Logo.